Don't get in my picture.
Merry Christmas, Kingston.
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Say Merry Christmas, Poppy.
Poppy, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Kingston.
Merry Christmas, Nana.
Merry Christmas, Samuel.
Ooh, look at what you got.
You don't have any lights on.
That's my bike.
Yeah.
I need to get on my.
How did you know that was your bike?
I need to get on my bike.
Yeah, go ahead. You can get on. You need some help?
You got to turn this light on over here.
Which one? Oh, right there. Yeah, go ahead, get on it.
Okay. Whoa,
Yeah,
whoa,
man.
whoa,
You're going to have to learn how to ride this thing. Put both hands on the handlebars. There you go. Now turn it. There you go. There you go. You're going to have to learn how to ride this thing, boy, but you're going to get it in no time. Go ahead. Okay. Move on to something
Let me
else.
see
That's all right.
something else.
Okay, so you start with Poppy.
Oh, it's the
Look at
garage.
that. That's your garage, man.
Ooh, you see this nice table you have?
Isn't that cool?
You want to pull up a chair?
Look at all this good stuff, man. See
What?
that?
Look at this.
He's looking at the Lego table in his garage. Huh?
Look at this, man.
That garage has a lot of stuff going on.
Look at that. You got a helicopter up here. You got some people. You got a gas station. See, you got a real helicopter. See, this is the landing port for the helicopter up here.
No, I.
So it's going to have to be down lower for me.
But see that H is where you land the helicopter right there.
Look, that's a big, big airplane.
Yeah. Where do you see the airplane? Where do you see the airplane at?
Poppy, I see the airplane up there.
Yeah.
You like the new table? Nana and Poppy got you this table. Isn't it cool? Look, Kingston, you can open the drawer
We got to put his,
and put stuff in there.
the other chair has his
I'm
Legos.
not opening the door.
He's moving his car right now.
Around the table. Did you stop with that?
Yeah, I've recorded it for you.
Okay, I'm saying because if they're too big, it'll be hard for
Well,
you
you
to.
said 1 minute, so.
Yes.
Oh, they can only be short for